Do you want higher conversion rate? Advantage number 6 is higher conversion rates. Higher conversion immediately increases your return on investment. You can double and triple your return in investment with improved conversions. Improving conversions is easy when you are listed as one of the best in a local directory. Increasing trust and perceived quality by being seen as the best in the business leads to higher conversions and higher sales. When you make it easy for your visitors, they become your loyal customers and keep on buying from you, whatever you have to sell. This automatically increases your return on investment, especially when the investment is low, to dirt cheap as is with bestlistsUS.com business directory listing. Here are more benefits of being listed in an online business directory. You viewed the first 6 benefits earlier. Here are more reasons for you to get listed in the bestlistsUS.com business directory listing today. BestlistsUS.com. Number 7, better local visibility. You want to increase your local visibility as that's where you want to attract more visitors to your business. By listing your business in local focus business listing directories, you can increase your visibility among local customers, which is very helpful to growing your company. Number 8, reputation building. Being listed on reputable directories and online listings immediately enhance your business reputation. Potential customers often view businesses listed on these platforms as being more trustworthy. 70% of consumers are more likely to trust a local business with positive reviews. A study by Nielsen found that 92% of consumers trust recommendations from others, indicating that increased visibility through reputable lists such as bestlistsUS.com can significantly impact customer awareness and choice. You will learn how you can get these recommendations through being listed in the bestlistsUS.com business directory listings that others trust to grow your business like gangbusters. Your business grows as your reputation grows. In the next video, we will go through the advantages 9 to 12. Thank you, and this is Oscar signing off for Dr. Raj.